Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change site name or title on Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our account at squarespace.com, and it will easily get us into our workspace. Now we have to pick on which website we want to change the name. Let's go on Marcus Stone, for example, and go to click on website. Once we're in here, all you have to do, and believe me, this is really easy, we want to focus on the edit button on top of your screen. You click on edit, and here straight away when you basically reach into the website, you have edit site header, and that's where we're going to click. In this pop-up window, the first thing that we want to click on is site title and logo. So let's click there, and this is the site title or your site name. As you can see, I have Marcus Stone here, and we can change it, for example, for Stone Marcus. Once you're done, click on top left corner, done, and save. It will save away, and even here you see that we changed the name or the site name of your website. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.